Meaning of HMMWV.
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 HMMWV. HMMWV stands for High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle. It is commonly known as the Humvee, a four-wheel drive military tactical vehicle designed primarily for off-road use. The HMMWV was originally developed for the United States Army in the 1980s and has since been used in various military operations around the world. The vehicle is designed to transport troops, weapons, and equipment in a variety of terrain types, including sand, mud, and snow. In addition to its military applications, some civilian versions of the HMMWV have also been produced for non-combat purposes, such as search and rescue missions.